Hey guys, my name is Awab Saber. I welcome all of you on my channel Computer Code. So today our topic is how to rotate any widget or text in our Flutter app. So let's start. First we create our project. I create a new project for this. So let's start. Quickly I create a new project. So I click next and set the name rotating. I just set it common name, anything that you want. So it take a couple of minutes. So here are our home screen. So I just completely set up. I select all and delete because I start from scratch. Import Flutter material, and then we need a main method to execute our app, that is void main. Okay, so now I create a stateless widget again, and the name of stateless widget is my app. And previous lecture I told you also you can write any name of my app, but I'm write this my app. So run app, and I call set const and call my app, and I pass a key because it accept a parameter key. I just pass a key that is string type, so I set it my app. And the return of container, I return material app, and the title of this app is rotating widgets. And we require a home, and home accept a scaffold, and the center of and the body of I just set a bar, and a bar title is I can set text, any kind of text that you want. I just set text rotating image. For this blue green line I set const it. It's very easy. Just move to body. uh, Scaffold I just move out of the app bar and set body. Okay, so set body I just used a widget wrap. What is wrap widget? I explain it in next tutorials. It accepts our children's. Okay, so wrap, here we need a two text. Just I set text one that we need. We can write anything, just like how are you. I just write this text to understanding you. I set it const, and here bottom const text. I just simply copy a logarithm text. Logarithm. When I copy, so I paste it over here to display. Logarithm. So I just copy it. So here I make a new widget. Sorry, new variable. That name is string. That string type, and set name is detail, and I set the value of this because it's very big, so I just put it. Just hit enter, just setting the size of it. Just try. Okay, it takes just a second. I just set it and set the semicolon. Okay, after this, and map it's remove const, just remove it and make it final, and set it const again. Okay, so issue over resolved. So I remove this and the text detail, so it is not const. Okay, so I execute this and check how it display like, and then I rotate. While starting my emulator, it take a couple of minutes. My emulator is started, so I just execute this task and display and see how it's look like, and then we set little bit styling, so it display like this. So I just styling it and set here style of text style, and pass it here a font size. I give font size it 30 because we rotate it, and font weight, I give font weight W70, and okay, it's enough. We can hot reload it and see how it's look like. So it's look like this. So in details, this time I leave it like this, and I wrap it into rotated box, and it just a second, it will accept the quadrants in integer if I it, it accept returns that in accept in integer, it shown in dialog, it accept integer. I give 3, so I set it const and remove this const. The detail, I just design style it text style, and just set copy this and paste it over here, font size, and hit enter to easily understand you each and everything. And I also set const. Okay, so here I set the size of is 20, and font weight W.70. I just see how it's look like. It's look like this. So here's the issue, how can we set it? This is rotated, but I want this text display in front of this. So how can we do this? Here is a trick that we use. So quickly I just started it. I just wrap alignment dot center, and cross axis alignment wrap cross axis alignment dot center, and here I vertical direction, vertical vertical direction dot down. I just set it and wrap this is into a widget, that is size box, and I set the width of is this 200, and see how it's look like. Okay, each and everything automatically it will adjust it. And here is issue, if you wanna set here, you can set anything. I just set the width of this 200 to 300 and see how it's look like. It's look like this. But here, how are you is at the center. If you wanna to move it, I just remove font size because you can easily understand. So it's look like this. If you want to move how are you at the top, then you can easily just you can do easily just here I set this spacing. I just give spacing only on 10 and it's look like this, and here we got a spacing somewhere over here. So I just is simply I do nothing. I just wrap it into row and set its const. I remove this const. Okay, so I close it. I just cut, paste over here, and where I get the issue. So this is not const style, and I also have to remove this because it's dynamically getting. I set this const, also set this const. So I remove this. I wrap. I use wrap again. Wrap inside wrap widget. I use also wrap widget. And you see, this is I just set the spacing out top of the box, side box, and set height is I just give only on 30 and set is const. Oh, just a second, where is the issue? Okay, anyway, just type in padding and just set give padding only top 30 and see how it's look like. You can see. So here I set this text, the size. You can design your widget any kind and rotate like this using a rotated box. You can rotate. It's not meaningful just to accept only text widget. You can give anything and design your own. Thanks for watching this video. Take care of yourself, and the persons who not subscribe my channel, kindly subscribe it and comment me how can I improve it. And also I have a flutter app, made in flutter app, that you can get all my video tutorials in app. If you don't want to search anything over YouTube, so you will get app, you will get all my video lectures over there. And there is I started a complete courses on flutter learning, that is in Urdu Hindi. You can easily understand it in easy language. Okay, thanks for watching. Take care of yourself.